First is all different condition of work done. What does this mean, Nimai?
Sir, all the formulas of work done.
Yes. So that is, this is my first, this is my second diagram, this is my third, and this is my fourth diagram. Agreed?
Yes, sir.
Here, the force and displacement are
Perpendicular.
perpendicular. बोलो यार. Here, force and displacement making an angle of
180 degree.
0 degree.
हाँ अच्छा.
हाँ क्या नहीं भाई यार, कल भी ऐसे स्ट्रेट कर रहा था यार. And here, this will be work done against gravity. Agreed?
Yes, sir.
Now, they will give you this condition only and they will ask you, please note down the what will happen to the work done. So, in the first case, I will say work done, which is F into S into cos 90 degree. Agreed? And those who know, they know that cos 90 degree is
0.
So that's why work done will be
0.
in this case work done F as cos 0 and cos 0 is
1.
so work done comes out to be
F into S.
in this case work done F into S into cos how much?
180.
-1.
That is F into S into
-1.
that is
Minus F into S.
That is work done negative. This one here again the angle is 180. Work done F into S into cos 180. That is the start. Now force can be written as M into G.
Yes, sir.
And here displacement can be replaced by alphabet H.
Yes, sir.
And cos 180 is
-1.
Now we know that whenever we move against gravity, the sign given to G is.
So minus.
So by solving this, our work done comes out to be
MGH.
MGH. So this is the first thing related to the knowledge of work done. Work done can be negative, work done can be 0, work done can be positive, and work done against gravity. Next, the derivation is of kinetic energy. Kinetic energy is the energy which has been derived due to its motion. So kinetic energy का formula है Nimai,
Half mv square.
get your audio be on throughout now.
Yes, sir.
Now we are deriving this, ठीक है?
Yes, sir.
So yes, sir. Yeah. So let there be an object, okay? Let there is an object which is placed at point A, ठीक है? Now it has been applied, it has given some force. So with the help of this force, it will have some displacement,
Yes, sir.
and then it moves to the position B. Agreed?
Agreed.
Since the body was at rest, so initial velocity is,
0.
and it has moved with certain velocity that will be known as.
Final velocity.
Now we know work done can be written as,
F into S.
and we also know by third equation of motion V square is written as,
U square plus 2AS.
what is the value of U we have?
0.
So from here, what will be the value of alphabet S?
Alphabet S. S की value होगी B square upon 2A.
So force can be replaced by,
M into A.
and S is ready to be replaced by.
B square upon 2A.
So from here, work done comes out to be,
Half MV square.
अब ये तो हो गया छोटा सा ब्रीफ आउट डेरिवेशन, राइट? इसके साथ जो आपको इंफॉर्मेशन लिख, एंड एस की वैल्यू जो आ रही है वो आ रही है वी स्क्वायर माइनस यू स्क्वायर अपॉन 2a, राइट?
Yes, sir.
सो दैट इज, I can write it this also. देखना कैसे लिख रहा हूं, m into a into, can I write this like this?
Yes, sir.
Now I'm opening the bracket. Agreed till here?
Yes, sir.
Minus,
MA into U square upon 2A.
now a and a cancel out, right?
Yes, sir.
So what we got from here, W is equals to mv square by 2 minus, since here my u is 0, right?
Yes, sir.
That's why the entire result will become.
0.
So from here I can say work done is nothing but change in,
Kinetic energy.
and ये जो इंफॉर्मेशन मैंने दिया ना, ये वाला चीज, इसी को कहते हैं वर्क एनर्जी थ्योरम. Clear, everyone? So that mechanical energy at every point, let that point be A, B and C, is conserved. How to start? Let there be an object of mass m raised to a height m, or height h कर लो h, from the ground.
Yes, sir.
That is, मैंने किसी ऑब्जेक्ट को पॉइंट सी से ए तक ले गया ऑफ हाइट h मीटर, ठीक है? Now the object is allowed to fall freely from point A to point B, and let that distance traveled I have represented by
X.
So the distance left between B to C will be
H minus X.
H minus. Now हम इन तीनों पॉइंट में, कौन कौन से तीन पॉइंट?
A, B and C.
हम इस तीनों पॉइंट पे क्या निकालने जा रहे हैं?
मैकेनिकल एनर्जी,
मैकेनिकल एनर्जी क्या होता है?
सम ऑफ पोटेंशियल एंड काइनेटिक एनर्जी।
So let's start with point A. Now A पॉइंट पे क्या मैं कह सकता हूं कि पोटेंशियल एनर्जी मैक्सिमम होगा? That is, can I say potential energy at point A is mgh? Now, since the body has been kept at this point, so my kinetic energy will be
0.
so therefore the sum total of mechanical energy at point A, can I say mgh plus 0?
Yes, sir.
That is
mgh.
A point का निकाल दिया, done.
Done.
Now at point B, मैं A से B x मीटर आया, राइट? अब मैं जमीन से कितना ऊंचा हूं?
h minus x मीटर.
h minus x. तो अगर मैं यहाँ पर पोटेंशियल एनर्जी निकालूं तो आई विल स्टार्ट लाइक दिस, ठीक है? नाउ इस बार मेरा h है कितना?
h minus x.
If I open the bracket, it will make.
Yes, sir.
Now काइनेटिक एनर्जी भी इस पॉइंट पे होगा क्योंकि ऑब्जेक्ट इज अलाउड टू फॉल फ्रीली, राइट?
Yes, sir.
काइनेटिक एनर्जी का फॉर्मूला होता है हाफ mv स्क्वायर.
v square. Yes, sir.
Now to find v square, I can write v square is equals to u square plus 2gh.
Yes, sir.
Since the body is allowed to fall freely, u 0 है. h मतलब हाइट, कितना हाइट ट्रेवल किया आपने a से b आने में?
x.
तो यहां से v स्क्वायर की वैल्यू क्या दिख रही है?
2gx.
तो यहाँ पर काइनेटिक एनर्जी का फॉर्मूला हाफ m, v स्क्वायर की जगह क्या बैठाऊं?
v स्क्वायर की जगह u स्क्वायर प्लस 2.
क्या मजाक करता है निमय यार?
अच्छा 2gx.
2 से 2 कैंसिल. काइनेटिक एनर्जी क्या आया?
mgx.
अब हमें फाइनली क्या शो करना है?
That mechanical energy is equals to mgh.
मैकेनिकल एनर्जी इज ऑलवेज इक्वल्स टू
Sum of potential energy and kinetic energy.
पोटेंशियल एनर्जी पॉइंट बी में कितना है?
mgh minus mgx.
और काइनेटिक एनर्जी कितना आया?
mgx. माइनस प्लस कैंसिल हो जाएंगे.
क्या बचा?
mgh.
पॉइंट बी में नेट मैकेनिकल एनर्जी क्या शो कर दिया मैंने?
mgh.
ए में क्या शो किया था?
mgh.
अब पॉइंट सी में शो करने जा रहे हैं, ठीक है? तो पॉइंट सी यानी कि अब हाइट कितना है आपके पास?
0.
एग्जैक्टली. तो पोटेंशियल एनर्जी एट पॉइंट सी, कैन आई राइट 0? काइनेटिक एनर्जी अब मैक्सिमम हो जाएगा, दैट इज हाफ, और v स्क्वायर की जगह 2gh बैठा दूं. सो दैट इज क्या बचा?
mgh.
और पोटेंशियल एनर्जी क्या आया था?
0.
तो पॉइंट सी का मैकेनिकल एनर्जी क्या हुआ नेट?
mgh.
That is at every point, that is the point A, the point B and the point C, the total mechanical energy is conserved. This indirectly obeys the law of conservation of energy. That object has been kept from C to A, kept. So body is at rest.
Yes, sir.
So your kinetic energy will be
0.
So your net mechanical energy at point A can be written as
mgh.
Now let's come to point B. आप जब पॉइंट बी में आ रहे हो तो आप सी से कितने ऊंचे हो?
Sir, h minus x meter.
एग्जैक्टली तो पोटेंशियल एनर्जी अगर हम पॉइंट बी में निकाले, आई विल राइट लाइक दिस.
Yes, sir.
I have opened the bracket,
Yes, sir.
and at this point there will be some kinetic energy.
Yes, sir.
Now since